Hi everyone, welcome back to my IGTV. Today we're going to be unboxing this new series that I got. It is the SANRIO 45th Anniversary Blind Box by Miniso. If you are unfamiliar with Miniso, it's a shop that started in, I don't know if it's China or Hong Kong or some part of Asia. And in recent years, they've obviously obtained the SANRIO license. So they've been doing all sorts of SANRIO blind boxes. I believe SANRIO license in Canada and the US, it's all different. So they don't generally sell these in Canada or the US either. I'm not sure. Anyways, so we're going to unbox these and see what they look like. I have already unboxed one of them. So this series is kind of like Tokidoki Unicorno in the sense that it has I think it has 7 characters. I'm not sure if the Hello Kitty is a chaser because it's kind of like on top by itself, and 7 is kind of an odd number. Usually it's like 6 or 8 or 12 in a series of blind boxes. We will see. But nonetheless, this series has 6 or 7 figures, but the whole case has 12 of them, so you're gonna get repeat. You have cute card. So this one we got is, oh my gosh, it's the Twin Stars. And I apologize. I love Sanrio, but I'm not like the biggest fan. So I know it's Kiki or Lala. I think it's Lala, right? I always get the two mixed up. Which one is the boy and which one is the girl? On the box, they just say little Twin Stars. So they don't actually say Kiki or Lala, but I think it's Lala. Okay, so are you ready? So here we have it. It is a figure that has a stand. I think it's a pretty cute stand. I love the color. It's not just like the typical clear or black stand. It is a really good size figure, and it has a good weight to it, and the quality, like the paint and everything, is like top notch, I would say. Very well done. Look at her. And I just want to do a size comparison. Okay, so everyone knows the size of a Yuki, right? So let's compare for size purposes. So it is rather large, I would say, and like much heavier than a Yuki because, yeah, very large. So let's sit her right here. Call it cinnamon roll. So let's see what this one looks like. I think I haven't actually seen this figure yet. So let's look. I always have my little trusty X-Acto knife with me because when you open so many blind boxes, you need it. Oh, okay. So this one is much smaller in size, but because I think the character is smaller in, like, you know, prints and cartoons and whatnot, it's supposed to be a little dog. So this is how they compare size-wise. But the stand is matchy-matchy. It's very cute. I love that it's like a hexagon, right? Yeah. It has six sides. I think it's a hexagon. So, you know, if you got multiples, you can kind of line them up in like a honeycomb kind of shape. You know what I mean? I love that. Very adorable. So it has, even though it's like smaller, it still has a good weight to it. Very adorable. Okay, what else do we have? Let's open a blind box. So this is how I open all my blind boxes. I basically just slice it so it's one clean cut. Okay, which one is this? Oh, and then inside the box, there's like, you know, the weights type of thing. This one is Hello Kitty. So I don't think Hello Kitty is a chaser because we got Hello Kitty. I love how like all the colors of them are so matchy-matchy. It's so like pastel-y. The outfits, or like part of the outfit, like her outfit, the Hello Kitty's outfit, the party hat, and the bow, they are all the pink and blue striped, and they're very matchy. Love it. So Hello Kitty is a little bit bigger. But so far, the Twin Stars or Lala is the biggest. Very, very, very adorable. All have a really good weight to them. Okay, so we're just gonna film this video until we get all 7 of them. Oh, a new one. We got the Pom-Pom Porin. Sorry about my pronunciation. But the yellow dog. I call him the pudding dog. So let's see. Oh, hello. I'm working. I'm working so hard.
Why?
You want to come?
Yeah.
Come. Come.
I want the cat 5 years.
Okay, thank you. Come.
Mama,
Okay.
there's so many toys. I'm gonna come. I passed them.
Good. Do you want to sit on me? I'm just filming a video. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe I'll go back.
Okay. Look, I'm just opening these. Do you want to show everyone your toy? What toy do you have in your hand?
wolf.
A wolf. Okay, good.
I'll just sit because my legs are under your table.
Okay. Okay. All right. I'm just showing. I'm just filming. Oh, good. Good. I'm just showing. Oh. Yeah, that's Hello Kitty. What's that? Is it dog? Yeah. Look. So adorable. This one is a good size and a good weight.
Yeah.
That's a girl. Very cute. Very cute. Okay, so next one. Why is that funny, huh? So we're missing. Okay, look. We got Hello Kitty. We got this girl. We got the dog. We got this dog. We're missing Bats Maru. We're missing My Melody, and we're missing Kiki. Kiki.
Where's Kiki?
Kiki's this one with the blue hair over here.
Where's the woo?
It's Bats Maru. It's right here. This one. It looks like a penguin or something.
Where's the other one?
My Melody. This one. Okay. Oh, we got Bats Maru. Do you want to see what he looks like? Okay, let's see what he looks like. Okay, be careful. I don't want to cut you.
I'm holding onto your table.
Okay, good. Good job.
I'm watching you.
Okay, good. Look, we got Bats Maru. He's a good size and he's heavy. Love it. He's so adorable. So adorable. So he's about the same size. Oh my gosh. Why are you so loud? Woohoo! We got My Melody.
Look at my melody.
Okay, wait. Be careful. Here you go. Okay, let's see what she looks like, okay?
Why are you talking to your phone?
Yeah, I'm talking to my phone because I'm filming a video.
No, but your phone don't talk.
I know, but people will see the video after I upload it. Look. Oh, she's cute. Do you like her? So this is what My Melody looks like. Very cute. Very good size.
My melody.
Yeah. So far, they're all a really good size. The only small one is cinnamon roll. Cinnamon roll. How do you say it? Okay.
Mama, what are we missing?
So right now, we're only missing Kiki, this blue hair. I think it's a boy. I'm not sure, though. Okay, let's see. I think he is slightly bigger, too. So I'm looking for like a heavier box. Okay, so these two are heavy. So let's hope we get him. Let's hope we get the full set at least. At least one full set. Okay, who do you think this will be? Woohoo! It is. Nice. We got Kiki. So now we have all of them. So it's a set of 7.
I want the big puppy.
Look. Oh, it's so cool. Oh, Kiki is the biggest. So Kiki is the heaviest because in addition to just the character being the largest, it has this yellow star on the back. So it adds a lot of weight. So look, I want to show everyone because they can't see. Okay, let's show everyone this together. Wait, because they're friends? Hold on.
Mama, I'll just show this one and this one.
Okay,
together.
they're friends because so.
Mama, I'll just line them up so everyone can see them.
Okay.
When everyone is blocking them, no one can see them.
Okay. Do you like them?
Yeah.
Are they?
Mom, can I line them up?
Okay.
So everybody.
Okay, but you have to go line them in the front because people can't see anymore. Because the screen is only so big.
I'll move my wolf away so we have enough room.
Okay. Yeah, good job lining them up. Let me just move this off. So, good job. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got all of them. Love it. Which one is your favorite? Which one do you like the best? The most?
All of them.
You like all of them? What if you have to pick one?
This one. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one.
You like all of them?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know how many we have?
No.
Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Good job. Good job. Which one is Hello Kitty? Yeah. Which one is Bats Maru?
This one.
Good job. You just learned today. Good job. Which one is My Melody? Do you remember? Wow. Which one is Cinnamon Roll? I never taught you.
This one.
No, that's Bats Maru.
This one.
That's Pom Pom Purin.
This,
I shouldn't be the one teaching him.
this one.
Yeah, good job. Which one is Kiki and Lala, the friends?
This one.
Yeah, good job. Yay, we're finished.
Yeah.
Say bye to everyone.
Bye-bye.
Say, I hope you enjoyed the video.
I hope you love the wolf.
Okay, I love you.
Again.